Welcome back to, or I guess we're going with Vegas Pallet Kings today, so more to come.
Today, tomorrow, for life.
For life.
Or the first couple million.
All right, this box. Give me a little background.
Just kind of a blind box.
Blind box. About $100 box. We're going to see what's in here, so here we go, folks.
Not very nice.
Just going to rip it open,
Going old school.
tear it through.
I got my keys.
Who's your key? Nah, I don't need that like that.
Oh, keys, I think.
It's too fancy. So, here we go.
Feed off this little bit.
Oh my! Woo!
Not the small.
Oh,
We got
box
a lot
full
of little
stuff.
small stuff. We got Smart Buddy Genuine Leather. Genuine leather for everybody.
Genuine.
Genuine. We also got some, truly wire-free earbuds.
This is for use with the Fitbit Ultra.
We also got some other wireless earbuds. We got lots of earbuds for y'all. What is this?
Yeah, everything you
12
see here is going to go on the website or eBay or OfferUp. So
Yes, please look for it coming to a
that's like
theater
cable.
near you.
The audio cable for
Yeah.
surround sound.
Nice little
Seal
audio
package?
cable. Negative. Ghost Rider. Looks like they pulled it out, tried it, and then put it right back in.
Piece of glass will be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Good stuff.
oh, you see this one? This one looks like they tried it. Might have kept. Oh, no, earbuds in
What do we got here? Fitbit.
Fitbit Airbox.
Yeah, pretty much. It's got it's got a strap,
Oh, that's extra.
but nothing else.
Oh, yeah, no, it's a strap.
Is it just the strap?
It's just a strap. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the steel band.
It's the old bait and switch. Put the picture of the Fitbit on there, but it's only a strap.
Stainless steel band. Won't rust, folks. Won't rust. Charging cable for iPhone type. Bunch of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. This really is a hodgepodge box. Ooh! Everybody needs a good alarm clock.
I need
Wake
five.
you up in the
I
morning.
know you all want one of these, so, reach out.
Everybody wants an alarm clock.
We can't keep them because I needed 5 of those compounded to wake me up.
Yeah. All right, I gotta go through these CDs. These look amazing.
Is that Justin Bieber?
We got Halloween sound effects.
Wait, that's not yummy?
The Twisted Edition.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got a couple of those.
Couple of these all day.
Yeah, we got Heat Wave Boogie Nights, folks, coming right at you.
Nice power supply. It's like a
And
Oh, nice.
a Lewis guard.
I needed one
You all
yesterday
need to
for
hear
my.
him?
Yeah, you just cut out for whatever you need.
And we got
Oh, that's right.
Robin's Best.
Wait, Robin the...
Better than Robin's Worst.
Did she even have a best though?
Yeah. We got some Skull Candy headphones. I think they're all there.
Guys, this might be at the yard sale, guys.
Yeah.
Come get them. They will be tested.
We got some other wireless earbuds here.
They look like
A lot of wireless earbuds.
These look like you get them from Home Depot.
Yeah.
It does.
The Grizzard, Lewis Grizzard. Oh
Yeah,
my
that's
God.
what I
That's a
said.
winner. I
We
didn't
got
know.
the old
Yeah.
Grizz there.
I didn't hear that. Yeah.
We got a magnetic mount for your iPhone or Android, if you prefer.
Oh, look at this travel. These are Travelocity wireless earbuds as seen on TV.
As seen on TV.
Not the channel I watch.
On your 23-inch CRT.
Invisa Shield.
All right, I'm gonna $10 has been used.
I ain't touching it.
No,
Wow, no.
looks actually brand new.
Who knew?
And it's got a little case too.
All right, so you can line it up right. I like the ones with the case because I always put them on
Yeah.
crooked because I got some funky astigmatism.
Yeah, and you don't get that the bubbles as easily.
Is that your band name? Funky Astigmatism?
That's it.
Funky
The funky cold
What's
astigmatism.
that guy?
This is
Oh,
a universal 65-watt laptop charger plus 13 adapters.
for anybody still carrying a laptop, this is for you.
Yeah.
And a couple
Love
people.
adapters.
Hey, there's a lot of people that still have laptops out there.
No, you know that's. Oh wait, no, that's for more than the laptops.
Yeah, that's for like
Yeah, it's
different-
for a bunch
whatever
of
you want.
stuff.
Yeah, so this is high voltage stuff
Yeah.
too. So you
can do laptops. It can do pretty much anything you need it to do.
Oh no, you're gonna get some good voltage out of this one.
Yep. Oh, got a case for some kind of Android. That ain't no iPhone.
Isn't it the new 3-camera thing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is the iPhone 11 Pro.
Yeah.
So.
With the octopus lens.
Would know.
Yeah,
My mom
with
has a
the
new
giant-
phone.
Yeah, I ain't got one of those yet.
Everybody else can play it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got more truly wire-free earbuds.
Courtesy of your local Marshall.
Got another
Frost.
one. And another one. And hold on, still digging them out.
Holy.
Got a bunch more down here. Holy crap, there's a bunch. Yep, okay, that's all of them.
I think Ross or Marshall's pooped on his liquidation item.
Got some other skull candy, just like some extra pieces and parts.
Oh, these are straight up the.
Oh, these are good.
These are straight up the Apple knockoffs here.
Yeah, with the metal ends on. As long as you don't show anybody the case, you're good.
We got some wonderful cat ear.
Oh, hide those from your daughter.
Cat ear. Yeah, my daughter will be all over those. Do not restock. So.
But everybody wants
Yeah.
it.
Everybody
looks like?
loves it. Yeah, I need to open those up.
Yeah,
Let's
see
take a
what it
look.
looks
We got an Xbox controller in blue.
Oh, they are broken. These are going on
Boo.
They were very. You want to wear them?
No,
Whatever you got there.
no.
Should be like a sad cat, sad kitty.
Sad broken kitty. Sad broken inside and out. There we go.
Is this legitimate?
Sad broken. Yeah, it looks like
Oh
it.
yeah, it's got the Xbox brand.
Yeah.
Ah.
Buttons all
That's
have feedback.
legit. Yeah.
Everything's got good feedback. Clicker's working.
Yeah, we'll plug that in the old Xbox. See what we can get done.
You don't plug remotes into game systems anymore.
We also got a wireless.
Say that to my
Water-
Nintendo Classic.
wireless waterproof speaker. So in case you're in the shower and you gotta have your tunes, God knows I do.
You know, sometimes when you
I got one of them.
when you lean back into soaker and your head's underwater.
You got an ink cartridge. And actually,
Oh, it's sealed.
Is it sealed?
no,
That is for the gun range.
that is already been used, folks. So thank you very much.
Guys, come on. What is it?
Put a crappy ink cartridge back in there. All right, let's get going through some of this stuff. Oh, we got some chargers. More chargers. They always are handy. Oh, hold on. Hold on. We got a pink one. They come in
Keeper.
colors. What else we got? Oh, we got what the?
Purple and
A little suction.
That's going on the car.
Yeah.
That's going on the Mustang.
That's an Aardvark.
That with the stripes.
Yeah, we got a purple.
Good.
What is this?
That's a dock.
Samsung dock.
Oh, that's nice. That's
Nice
coming
little
with the
Samsung.
S8 and up.
Yeah, Type C, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Is S8 and up?
Yeah, see if that fits on your phone right there.
Oh wait, but it's not wireless. It's wireless lookalike, huh?
Yeah. There's
Wireless
a
lookalike.
little mini.
It
mini
looks like
speaker.
the wireless charging dock, but
It
it,
does.
but it has a port
Yeah. We got another mini speaker.
for the soaker tub. Yeah, buddy.
Yep. Oh, look, we got more truly wire-free earbuds. Except these ones got little hooky bits to stay on your ears, so like when you're running around, they don't fall off as easily. Those actually aren't bad looking. I use those
Yeah, look.
if I jog, which I don't.
That's why I didn't even know what those were.
But we're not gonna talk about that. We got an action grip. Oh, I'm guessing that's what this thing is. Goes over your controller
Control condom.
to protect your controller.
Another bait and switch. You think you're getting a controller.
Yeah. Nope, you're just getting the cover.
Oh, what's cool is that there's two. There's one in the box and one out.
Oh, look at that. We got an alarm clock that also charges your phone. So, wake you up with your alarm there and your alarm clock. Double alarm.
Guys, slow down. I'm going two-tone over here.
Uh-oh. Oh, trying it out. Hooking it up. How about a controller?
No
with
slip grip.
The no
Oh,
slip
look
grip.
at that.
There you go. See? Magic in every box.
One price per
Speaking
box.
of magic, we got a magic mount here. slap it on your car window. Keep your phone up there. Get your directions.
Scrape it off with a
All
razor
that
blade
good
if you
stuff.
live in Vegas.
Yeah, that'll leave a nice little ring on your car. Got another pair of headphones here with a special little car charger bit inside the box that I don't
Wireless.
believe is supposed to be in there.
You
but-
want wireless charging?
Wireless charging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see something coming up, guys. You're really gonna like what's coming
Yeah.
up. Hopefully.
We got another set of headphones.
Wait, how does this say try me?
I have an actual Fujitsu film
It's a threat to try
for
me.
InstaFilm.
Now, you need the Fuji camera?
That's
Fujitsu
nice.
camera?
This is the InstaFilm.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, it's like the
Good love film. It's like
it's
Polaroid.
like the Polaroids.
It's what the kids use
for
nowadays.
for us older folks. More chargers. Ooh, a remote.
Is that one for the, we're missing out of the other box?
I don't know.
Oh, I lied. That's for,
Everything comes back.
We got more chargy bits. Some adapters.
I think all this stuff is iLive.
yeah, all the stuff's I lied.
Yeah.
That's like the stuff from that makes it to Marshall and
More
Ross.
chargers.
Charging. Oh, look.
It's a pretty decent little
Oh,
cable.
it's Type C.
Yeah.
I'm an Android guy.
Oh, look at that. That's a
All
long Type C.
Android, yep.
That is a crazy Type C.
Yeah, that's like a Type C.
What is this? A mouse. Logitech Bluetooth mouse.
Lick it.
Missing
It's in the receiver.
the Bluetooth. So if you don't need the Bluetooth and just need a mouse, we got you covered.
Put up a
Or
parts.
you're filming like a show, need a mouse in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, prop stuff.
Props, yeah.
Hey, look at that. Another used toner cartridge.
That's what.
There you go.
Jokers. Joker. Wait. But what number is it?
Oh, we got some more CDs
Number
here.
used.
Come on, KG.
America's Polka King. Oh, yeah.
Weird Al?
Frank Yankovic.
Frank Caliendo.
Weird Al? Wait,
Ah,
Frankie,
must be.
was that Weird Al's? dad?
Must be. Oh, my. We got another Lewis. But look at this, folks. Lilith Fair.
Oh, you were there. Don't act like you weren't.
I was there. I did see this
You saw
in
Sarah?
Pittsburgh.
No, for real?
Yes, when that whole tour came around.
Show's
I
over,
did
folks.
go. Thank you, ladies. Oh, look at this. Trick or treat. More Halloween spooktacular with the Berenstain Bears.
Brought to you by Kaboom.
Brought to you by Kaboom.
Ah.
Just so you're aware, Wikipedia reports that Frank Yankovic has no relation, even though he does play polka, to you, Weird Al.
All right, got some
Why?
more,
Why would you do that to the guy?
Oh, look at here's a Type C. It kind of pulls out both ways. A couple more chargers.
You know what? I don't think we're at the Christmas pass
RCA
yet because we have a lot of
cables.
Halloween stuff in this.
Yeah.
What do we got? We got another phone case.
No, it's
Flex
pocket
card
charger.
pocket charger.
Those are
Oh
always
yeah,
good.
those are actually good.
Those are good.
I use these for Pokemon.
When he's on it weeks at
We
a
have
time on
we have a
Pokemon.
Blu-ray disc player remote.
That's a great spelling of this player.
Disc player. Disc player. Disc player, not that player.
You can get with this, or you can get with.
You can use this.
Oh, but it's for an LG.
Oh, look at we
Somebody
have
needs
an
this.
an iHome.
Oh, it's nice stuff.
iHome.
Oh, it's
And it
holographic.
changes color.
It's holographic.
Changing colors. iHome.
It's a party in the box.
If that's what's even in there.
Open it, find out.
All right, we're gonna save that guy towards the end. Oh, we got another mouse, and there's a charger inside. It's a regular old mouse, wired mouse this time. Need a wired mouse. Oh, more InstaFilm.
Oh, in the box.
InstaFilm, still in box, never been. Oh wait, no, it's possibly been opened.
Oh, God, what is going on here? Guys, open the boxes right. Don't mangle the stuff.
Yep.
You know you don't want it.
I'm guessing you got another used cartridge here.
Oh, yeah, no one is used.
You got an Apple. Oh nope, I take that back. That is a Type C for your Android. What is in here? Oh, another fast charging bits.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, at
Fast
least they-
charging
at
Type
least they-
C for Samsung.
Samsung, yeah.
At least
Yeah.
I kept it moist.
These are the actual Samsung branded charging
Is
bits.
this a card box?
This one's still got all the parts.
So that's a wireless charger?
Yeah. Yeah, it's brand new.
But it has a port on here. That must be a transmitter too. Bluetooth transmitter maybe? Or why would you need a Bluetooth?
Wait, what does it say?
Bluetooth
It's a
transmitter.
fast charging with standard functionality charging dock.
So, but it's not wireless. It's
Not
just
wireless,
fast
yeah,
charge,
just-
USB Type C. Here you go, sir. Yeah, we're saving that guy towards the end there. Ooh, LED mood light and
Oh.
music strips.
What mood would you
Might be
go
keeping that
for?
for your
Yeah.
TV upstairs.
Already got a set of these for the bar that I use.
Got the drapes match the
Quite
carpet.
nice. What is this? Live True wireless earphones. This actually doesn't look too bad.
Looks like a good, right?
Yeah, and honestly, it looks like this box has never been opened.
Somebody, it looks like nobody wants it, but somebody wants it.
Yeah.
We
That
don't want
actually
you want it.
looks nice. That looks nice. It's better than this player.
This player. Not that player.
Oh, you got another set of just random headphones laying inside.
LEDs. LEDs look good.
LEDs look good.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, another charger, another screen protector. I don't know if that one's any good.
Z-Gear.
Zigitter. And finally, last but not least, we got a set of Bose headphones.
I think that's what we've all been waiting for.
They returned this because they wrote on the box with a pen that obviously didn't write that says, weren't compatible with phone. Which makes no sense. How is this not compatible with a
It
phone?
may not be compatible with your
May
Nokia
not be
flip phone.
compatible with your iPhone if you don't have the adapter because it uses the old style adapter.
Yeah, I ordered 3 and I still borrow his.
So that's probably why it wasn't compatible with their. But looks brand new
Oh my god.
in box.
Open it up. Let's see.
So open it up.
Unboxing of an unboxing?
Oh yeah,
It's
that
like unboxing Inception.
looks like brand new.
Wait.
Bose.
Do we make another video? Dude, that's giving them too much for their money.
Oh, those are like they're brand new. They're still in the original. Still in the original.
That's awesome.
That's brand new right there.
Guys, do you? No, never mind. So I think the goal is to let you guys know eventually how we do with all this stuff, because we ain't trying to keep it, but you know, we're trying to start
Yeah,
something.
there'll be
good.
sorts of yard sale, we'll have online sales.
We eventually this is going big time,
Yeah.
very much big time.
Plus, they gotta pay the talent. We all know who that is. Thank you very much. Have a good night.